Hello, everyone. Today we are going to discuss on the topic keywords, or glossary, or definition of hospitality in tourism studies. So, let's start. Hospitality. The cordial and generous reception and entertainment of guests or strangers, either socially or commercially. Hotel. A place that offers accommodation, food and beverages at a cost that enables it to make a profit. Motel. Hotels that are located primarily on highways. They provide modest lodging to highway travelers. Most motels provide ample parking space and may be located near a petrol station. Floatels. Hotel establishments being operated on large water bodies such as seas and lakes. Cruise liners and some houseboats are typical examples of these. Lounge. A place in a hotel where guests can sit back and relax. It is a public area, suitably furnished for relaxation. Back of the house. The functional areas of the hotel in which employees have little or no guest contact, such as the engineering and maintenance department, laundry room, and so on. Front of the house. The functional areas of the hotel in which employees have extensive guest contact, such as food and beverage outlets and front office areas. Banquet. A term used to describe catering for specific numbers of people at specific times, in a variety of dining layouts. Coffee shop. A restaurant in a hotel that serves a limited menu to guests, normally functioning round the clock. Boutique hotels. A term referring to hotels designed with the same attention to detail that one would find in a specialized store or boutique offering customized services and products. Housekeeping. Housekeeping is defined as the provision of a clean, comfortable, safe, and aesthetically appealing environment. Front office. The department that handles check-ins and check-outs and where information regarding the guests is maintained. Food and beverage operations. Food and beverage operations in the hospitality industry are concerned with the provision of food and drink ready for immediate consumption. Food and beverage service. This department of the hotel is responsible for serving food and drinks to guests. Kitchen. This department prepares the food for sale in all food outlets in the hotel. Accounts. It is the department which monitors, records, and verifies all the monetary transactions of the hotel. Purchase. The purchase department is responsible for procuring the inventories of all departments of a hotel. Human resources. The human resources department is responsible for the acquisition, utilization, training, and development of the human resources of the hotel. Sales and marketing. The sales and marketing department of a hotel has the responsibility of increasing the sales of the hotel's products and services. The major products are the rooms, food and beverage, banquets, and outdoor catering. The sales and marketing staff's responsibilities can be divided into functions such as sales, convention services, advertising, and public relations. Engineering and maintenance. The engineering and maintenance department of a hotel is responsible for maintaining the property's structure, electrical and mechanical equipment, and all furniture and fixtures, landscaping and maintaining the grounds. The maintenance service is also referred to as facilities management, as it deals with the maintenance of ground, building, equipment, waste disposal system, store and sanitary, pollution control equipments, gas distribution system, electrical energy supply system, fuel supply system, water supply system, ventilation, refrigeration and air conditioning, firefighting, heating, telephone system, cable television, elevators, light, escalators, etc. Security. The security department of a hotel is responsible for the overall security of the hotel building, in-house guests, visitors, day users, and employees of the hotel, and also their belongings. The responsibility of the security personnel include patrolling the property and its ground, monitoring surveillance equipment, and, in general, ensuring that guests, visitors, and employees are safe and secure. Tourism. Movement of people from their normal place of residence to another place, with the intention to return, for a minimum period of 24 hours to a maximum of 6 months for the sole purpose of leisure and pleasure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment below with your thoughts on hotel management. Have any questions or want to learn more about my journey? Check out my other videos for more insights into my life as a hotel management student.